This is the 3-point hitch lift cylinder for my 66 diesel, and it's been a leaker. And I thought I'd get it apart and figure out what all seals it needs and get them coming. I swear there's you give me 100 different cylinders and there'll be a 100 different ways they're put together. So I gotta get this pipe off, and then I gotta knock the head down so I can get the snap ring out, and then that stuff should come out the end. Well, it gave me some grief. Had this flat spot over here. Finally put some heat to it. But I think the thing that's holding me up, and this will happen a lot with the snap ring type, is the there's a little lip there from years and years of that head moving in and out just slightly. It kind of curls the metal up, makes a lip, and then when you try to pull the head of the cylinder out, it catches on that and doesn't want to come out. Putting a little warmth to it must have expanded things enough. I was kind of thinking it was out around just because of this flat spot here, but it looks like someone might actually ground that off. But guess we'll see. There's that part. I gotta get the piston off. It's got an Oliver part number on it. I'm pretty sure this is an Oliver design and built cylinder. They might have designed it and had someone else build it for them, but pieces and parts, parts and pieces. See if I can't make her go back together, not leak. This looks like what we've got. This is a later design. There is a tiny O-ring in there. 28 16ths by 3/16 ID. Figured there had to be to seal that little detent poppet. I wonder if they list a seal kit for this. Usually it's the bottom of the list if they have it, and I don't see one. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Now I can just make a list of the parts and see what I can find. Well, my seals have come in, so just need to get everything installed. Well, these cylinders are pretty simple compared to what we have now. The rod seal is just an O-ring, and there is a dirt wiper. This is a piston, and it's got an O-ring that goes down in there to seal it so it doesn't settle. Put a little grease on things so they slide together good. Okay. There's a little bit of pitting on the shaft there, but I'm hoping with a new seal it'll be better than it was. I'm going to give it a whirl for the cost of a O-ring, a little bit of my time. This is part of the detent kick out for the cylinder. There's a little O-ring down in there. One of these boogers. Just cleaning up that burr that formed from the years of the snap ring pushing against there. Get this detent doohickey in there. Two bolts on there. That seems to be better. Now the cylinder's all rebuilt and installed. So I thought maybe I'd do a cold start video on the old 66 diesel just to run it up and down. People seem to like cold start videos. Let's see if I can do a million things at once. Now the side panels are 25 degrees. I haven't had it, well, it doesn't have a block here, so I guess that doesn't. There we go. 23.9. Let's see if she'll start. Do a little preheat. Oh, let's try that. There we go, 25 degrees, a little preheating. Looks like that's gonna fix it. Of course, now I got that leak to work with. Cool beans. Well, I appreciate everybody watching. We'll see you in the next video.